Right here on this video, papakita ko kung paano i-link yung GoTyme account nyo to the GoRewards app.
Open the GoRewards app, click Create an Account, and then type nyo dito yung card number. Or pwede nyong i-click tong card icon na to. Picturean lang yung card number, and then automatically i-detect niya yung account number mo. Any of these GoRewards cards yung pwede nyong i-link. On this case for me is GoTyme. Click Link Card. Okay? And then, ayan, input nyo lang yung details nyo. So, contact number, email address, first name, last name, middle initial, and birthday. Kung meron kayong referral code, just input it here. Read and accept yung GoRewards terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then click continue. Okay, send the OTP. And then set your 6-digit passcode, confirm my passcode, and ayan, we've linked our GoTyme account to our GoRewards account. If you want to add more cards, just go to My Cards and then click Merge a New Card. On the main dashboard, ayan, makikita nyo yung points. Click See Points History and you can see yung history of your points.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos in your feeds. Thank you guys. Bye!